Welcome to the Healthiest Mind and Body channel. Today's topic is 5-minute meditation practices for beginners. If you've ever felt that meditation takes too much time or feels too complicated, this one's for you. Meditation doesn't need an hour, a yoga mat, or even total silence. Just 5 minutes a day can make a big difference in your mood, focus, and inner calm. Here are a few simple practices you can start today. 1. The deep breathing practice. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a slow, deep breath in through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold it gently for 2 seconds, then exhale slowly through your mouth for 6 seconds. Repeat this for 5 minutes. This technique slows your heart rate and brings immediate calm to your mind. 2. The candle or object focus. Light a candle or pick an object, a stone, flower, or even your coffee cup. Focus your gaze on it. Notice its shape, color, and details. Whenever your mind wanders, bring it back to the object. This simple focus practice strengthens attention and quiets distractions. 3. The thought observation. Sit quietly and let your thoughts flow, don't fight them. Imagine each thought as a cloud drifting across the sky. Observe them without judgment and gently return to your breath. You'll learn that calm doesn't mean silence. It means not getting lost in the noise. 4. The gratitude pause. Close your eyes and think of 3 things you're grateful for, small or big. Feel the emotion of appreciation for each one. This short practice boosts positivity and rewires your brain toward optimism. 5. The body scan. Start from your toes and slowly move upward, noticing how each part of your body feels. Relax each muscle as you go: feet, legs, back, shoulders, face. This builds awareness and helps release hidden tension. Remember, consistency is key. Set aside just 5 minutes each morning or night, and you'll soon notice improved clarity, peace, and emotional balance. Your mind deserves those 5 minutes of peace every day. Stay tuned to the Healthiest Mind and Body channel for more simple practices to help you live calmer, healthier, and more mindful.